homeboy shoes, I'm on that thing. That look like my homeboy shoes. It's your boy. It's your boy. First time I ever popped a pill in my life. It's the first time I ever popped one. Ever. So Icy Entertainment, Debbie, I got you.
$1,000 per deal.
$1,000 per diem for the So Icy Squad. Riding dirty need $1,000 per diem, man. Coach, you already see what it is, man. About to hit this stage and kill shit.
Labels come fuck with me, I'm ready, I swear to God, man. Check out my MySpace page, I'm getting at least 50, 60,000 last day. 3 million views, man, it's real official. I ain't bullshit, man, I'm ready, man. Album ready, great production. You get great performance, all that, man. I let Mercedes. She know how to get at me. She in the streets, Mercedes streets, beat on the streets, you already know what it is, man.
And he already fresh, god damn. Woo. God damn.
Can't make songs called So Fly and You Not So Fly. Get like me. See, when y'all wearing $300 sneakers, you know what I'm saying? Some old crazy custom made shit. Y'all ain't even up on this. You know what I'm saying? I got a clock on my shoe, man. You know what I'm saying? I got a clock on my shoe. Y'all don't even understand, man. I got a clock. Look, when I want to see the time, I do like Fable and grab a foot. That motherfucker, right, nigga.